Carpet flooring like area rugs or floor mats will get stained from dirt, dust, grease, or a mix of them over time, and looks really dull and unpleasant. But there are plenty of ways to restore the shine. This video will show you how to remove dust or sand from floor mat on your own without large machines like vacuum, and it takes up to minutes of work. Step 1. Mix up a simple cleaning solution using half a liter water with 1 teaspoon of dish soap and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Step 2. Soak a microfiber towel in the solution, then rinse it out. Leave it a little damp so that it really works on stain while it doesn't really make the rug too wet. Place a pot lid on top of the soaked towel and wrap the towel like this. Make sure the 4 corners of the towel are fixed to the lid top, and you will exactly have a tool like this. Step 3. Now we start to clean. Wrap the floor mat with the tool from one end to the other. Put scrub hard in places where there is a lot of stain. After you have entirely wrapped the floor mat, check the surface. If there is still stain remaining, untie the towel and repeat the step 2 and step 3 until the floor mat looks pretty clean.